Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a crispy faced grilled cheese. Here I got 1 cup of shredded cheese, I got some butter, I got some marbled cheese, 1 slice, and I got 2 pieces of bread. Alright guys, so we start off by buttering the top. This one. Okay, first you put 1 piece down. Make sure it's not high. And then you put another slice on top. Close it. Let us do his work. Okay, at this point, it's a little bit crispy already. Now what you do is move to the side, put some cheese at the bottom, make a nice like that. Don't do this at home, guys. Use gloves or something. I'm used to heat, so there you go. Put some cheese on top. Close it. Check it. Come on guys, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Crispiness, the meltiness. Guys, let's see the inside. Oh. Oh. That. Do you guys see that? Oh. Yeah. Okay, let's plate this. And that's it, guys. That's how you make a crispy faced grilled cheese. It's juicy.